Hello, amazing people. Welcome to Devi's English Journey. I'm doing fantastic today. I hope you are also doing fantastic. Let's learn English together. Today, I want to share why I want to learn English and why I started this channel. So, without delay, let's get started. I started this channel because I want to improve my English speaking. I know many people feel shy or afraid to speak English. I also felt the same before. That's why I decided to start this journey. In this channel, we will learn simple English step by step. We will practice daily sentences, speaking practices, and confidence tips. This channel is not only about learning English. We will also focus on self development, positive thinking, and a strong mindset. So, we will grow in two ways: better English and a better life. Before you go, please comment, why do you want to learn English? You are not telling me, you are telling yourself. If you want to improve your English, subscribe to my channel and join this journey. This is Devi's English journey. Let's grow our English and our life together. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, stay positive, keep learning.